How to activate Goyal's online support for teacher on MeritBox app. To activate online support for teacher, follow these steps. Step 1. Log in on MeritBox app with your username and password. Step 2. On the dashboard, tap Add New Book, Voucher Code. Step 3. Enter the voucher code and tap Activate. Online support will be activated instantly. To view online support content, tap Active Books course available on the dashboard. Note, voucher codes for the teachers and school are provided by our marketing team. You can also contact our support team through email elearning@goyal-books.com. Please follow other videos on how to use different features of MeritBox. Thank you for using MeritBox.